How to change keyboard theme in HTC Desire 19 Plus. So for the first, open settings, scroll down and go to the languages and keyboard, click on the virtual keyboard, Gboard, click on the theme, and as you can see they are currently available. We can also click on the show more to get more themes, and we can choose one of them. I will go for the pink. Click on the apply, and now when we are going to use our keyboard, the theme will be in the pink color, as you can see. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.